Welcome to our channel EJ Pharmacy. As we had discussed earlier about the practical records regarding the pharmaceutical analysis, we have the second objective for acid-base titration, that is by using the primary standard for the primary standard sodium bicarbonate and as a secondary standard HCl, hydrochloric acid, that we had taken concentrated HCl. As we had studied earlier about acid-base titration, these are those type of titration in which we have to neutralize the base by using the acid by using a certain type of indicator. So we are using here indicator for this reaction is said to be the methyl orange indicator. So now let's move towards the calculation part of for this game.
Now we will talk about the calculation part, how we will prepare our reagent for this particular titration. So the first we will prepare our primary standard. So हम पहले अपने primary standard को prepare कर लेते हैं. So it will be the preparation of, because we are considering here 0.1 normal HCl of standardization by using our primary standard, that is sodium carbonate. So first we will prepare our primary standard. अपने primary standard को हम prepare कर लेते हैं. So it will be the preparation of 0.1 normal Na2CO3. Okay, so it is in the solid form, क्योंकि ये solid form में है. So we will apply the formula weight equal to NeV. So N here is 0.1, so it will be 0.1. So if you talk about the equivalent weight of sodium carbonate, it is 53. And we are preparing 100 ml, so it will be 100 divided by 1000, so it will be 0.1. So the final value will be 0.53 gram. So what we have to do, we will take 0.53 gram of sodium carbonate into the volumetric flask, and then we will dissolve in the 100 ml of water. So by this using this way we can prepare our primary standard. Now we will talk about the secondary standard, that will be the preparation of 0.1 normal HCl. So हम अपने secondary standard को prepare कर लेते हैं, जिसको हम अपने burette में fill करेंगे. So it will be the 0.1 normal HCl here. Okay, so we will apply the formula because they are in the form of the liquid form. So we will apply the formula N1V1 equal to N2V2. So it will be like this. So here what are they? So if you talk about N1 is the normality of laboratory supplied HCl. V1 what volume of HCl we have to take for this titration or for the making of this reagent. N2 is the what normality we are assuming, and the V1 is what the value was like V2. सो ये गलती से यहाँ पे V1 हो गया था. सो हम बात कर रहे हैं. सो N1 हमारा नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इट इज़ अ नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ लेबोरेटरी सप्लाइड HCl. V1 हमने बता दिया. N2 हमारा क्या होगा, एंज्यूमिंग नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ HCl, एंड द V2 व्हाट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वी आर टेकिंग फॉर मेकिंग ऑफ दिस रिएजेंट. So the if you talk about the normality of laboratory supplied HCl is equal to 11.5, and V1 we have to calculate. N2 is 0.1, and V2 we are preparing here 500 ml in water. So it will be like this. So it will be 50 divided by 11.5. So it will be like 4.35 ml. So what we have to do, we will take 4.35 ml of HCl and we will dissolve or mix in 500 ml of water. So by this way we can prepare our reagent we are using in this titration.
So let's start by our procedure by first of all weighing of the sodium carbonate. So we have, as we had calculated earlier, that we had to take only 0.53 gram of sodium carbonate. So let's start calculation. First of all, tear our weighing machine up to the zero so that we could get an accurate result about 4.53 gram, 0.53 gram, sorry.
सो बोलना ये।
हम लोग ने यहाँ आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि हमने पूरी अच्छी तरीके से इसको वेट कर दिया 0.53 ग्राम। अब हम इस सैंपल को हम लोग लेंगे और इसको अपने जो मैंने कैलिब्रेटेड हमारा बीकर है उसमें हम लोग पहले से अब हम लोग इसको डाल देंगे साइड, अब इसे साइड के रख देते हैं। अब हम लोग जो हमारा सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड है जो कि हमारा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, जैसा हम लोगों ने पहले कैलकुलेशन किया था, हम लोग को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड कंसनट्रेटेड फॉर्म में लेना है। आप इसे देख सकते हैं कि इसे केयरफुली जो हमारा कंटेनर है इसे हम लोग केयरफुली यहाँ पे साइड करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग अपनी डिस्टेंस से करीबन इतनी दूरी पे रखें ताकि हमारा आई कांटेक्ट भी डिस्टर्ब ना हो। हम लोग को आराम से लेना है इसे साइड करके और कोशिश करें कि सारी चीज़ों को हाथ में ग्लव्स पहन के ही लें। हम लोगों ने अभी आपने देखा कि कंसनट्रेटेड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को हम लोगों ने मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट के साथ 4.5 ml इसको वे कर लिया। आइए अब हम लोग सेकेंड प्रोसीजर की तरफ प्रोसीड करते हैं।
From the calculation we have to take 0.353 gram of Na2CO3 and we have to take into the volumetric flask. So we will take volumetric flask here and we will transfer this Na2CO3 our primary standard। इसको बहुत ही प्रिसाइजली आपको ट्रांसफ़र करने होते हैं एंड transfer like this। So we have transferred our primary standard Na2CO3। Now we will take some shot of water to dissolving it। जब भी आप वाटर लेते हो तो कोशिश करो कि थोड़ा लो। अगर हमने 100 ml ऑफ वाटर में इस चीज़ को डिसॉल्व करना है सो वी विल टेक 50 ml एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 75 ml of water, then we will dissolve and then after that we will make the volume up to 100 ml। So we will take some water here and we will try to dissolve it by constant shaking and you have to shake like this so that all the crystal of the Na2CO3 will be dissolved here। And as you can see the crystals are dissolved। Now we will make the volume up to 100 ml and by this way we can prepare our primary standard for this titration। So अब ध्यान से इस लाइन को देखोगे वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क के to making the 100 ml volume and you have to add very precisely and I think we have made it। So by this way we can prepare our primary standard, that is our Na2CO3। So this is 0.1 normal Na2CO3। Now we will prepare our secondary standard, that is HCl। So from the calculation we get 4.35 ml of HCl। So we will dissolve in 500 ml of water। So we will add like this and you have to always remember when we are adding HCl we will add like this by the use of the glass rod to avoid from any explosive reaction। Now we will dissolve। Films are making here because it is very concentrated acid HCl। तो आपको बहुत ही ध्यान तरीके से इस चीज़ को डिसॉल्व करना है और मैं आपको प्रीफर करूँगा कि जब भी आप इस चीज़ को कर रहे हो तो आपकी इन्वायरमेंट खुली होनी चाहिए। So now we will make the volume up to 500 ml for making of our secondary standard। So now it it is 500 ml. So by this way we are preparing our primary standard and the secondary standard for this titration. So we have prepared our primary standard and the secondary standard by using the formula and by the calculation. जैसे हमने प्राइमरी स्टैंडर्ड सेकेंडरी से दोनों बना लिया है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, जो हमारा सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड है जो कि हमारा HCl है उसको फिल कर लेंगे ब्यूरेट में. सो वी विल फिल इनटू द ब्यूरेट. So we are filling here. So we have filled our butyrate and I think it has been filled. So extra amount of HCl will be discard. अगर एक्स्ट्रा ऊपर से ऐड हो चुका है तो हम उसको डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे. सो वी विल डिस्कार्ड. या आई थिंक वी हैव मेड इट. सो वी हैव फिल्ड आवर सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड HCl. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द टाइट्रेशन. सो for the standardization of the HCl we have to take our primary standard. So we have taken 10 ml of Na2CO3, our sodium carbonate, into the conical flask and we will add methyl orange as an indicator and the end point will be yellow to red. So we will take 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange. Okay, so we have taken it. Now we will do the titration by adding the HCl from the butyrate. So the end point will be the yellow to red. Wait. So from the calculation we get our primary standard and the secondary standard. So we have prepared our reagent for this titration. So now we will take our primary standard, that is sodium carbonate of 10 ml, and we will put it into the conical flask where we will do the titration or the standardization of HCl. And we have filled our HCl into the butyrate, and now we will take our indicator, methyl orange we will use here as an indicator. So we are taking methyl orange here. So it has been shown yellow color in the acidic medium. So the behavior of acid base indicator we have already discussed in the theory part, that the methyl orange will show yellow color in the basic medium and it will show in the acidic medium, it will show the red color. So the end point will be the yellow to red. So now we will do the titration and we will take out the reading, and you have to be very precise during the titration. हमें बहुत precise होना पड़ता है and आपको अपने reading को ध्यान से देखना है. When the color will change shade. So we are doing the titration and we are adding the HCl from the butyrate to the conical flask, and during the titration you have to shake the conical flask constantly for the reaction occur. And you have been seeing that the color has been changed yellow to red, and this is our end point, and the reading will be noted down here, and the reading is will take, it is approximately, if we talk about it, is 15 ml. So we have added 15 ml of HCl from the butyrate to the conical flask, and the color has been shown change here. For the better result and the precisely result, we will take 3 to 4 reading. So in this case we are taking 3 reading. So in the first reading, in the first titration, in the first phase, our reading was 15 ml of HCl from the burette. Now we again have taken our primary standard Na2CO3 into the conical flask, and we will add the indicator methyl orange, and the color will be the yellow here, as you can see. Now what we will do, we will add HCl from the burette and take out the reading. Now we will add HCl from the burette, and we have to shake. We have already talked about this. We have to shake our conical flask regularly during the running out of HCl, and you have to observe sharp color change during the end of the titration, and we have seen that the color has been changed and the color has been shown here, the red color. So now we will take the reading. It is about 30.5 ml. We have already taken 2 reading. Now we will take the third reading. Again we have taken our primary standard Na2CO3 into the conical flask, and now we will add our indicator methyl orange, and it will be transferred into the conical flask. Now we add. Okay, now the color is here yellow. When we are doing the titration, the color will be yellow to red after the end of the titration, and we will calculate our reading and find out the reading. So again we have to constantly shaking our conical flask during the titration, and we are adding HCl from the burette, and you can see, and you have to analyze the sharp color change when we are adding HCl from the burette, and it will be the yellow to red. We are adding here, and as you can see, the color is changed here and it is red, so it find out the end of the titration. Now we will write down the reading. It is 46 ml. Now at the end of this experiment. नाउ हम बात करते हैं कैलकुलेशन पार्ट में. जब हमने टाइट्रेशन किया तो जो हमें क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल मिला, सो वी विल डू आवर ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल एंड डिवाइड इट इनटू द 3 पार्ट्स. सो द फर्स्ट one is the initial reading, final reading, and what volume of HCl is consumed during this titration. So first observation, the volume of final reading was 15 ml and the volume of HCl was consumed 15. In the second reading it was like 30.5 and the volume of HCl was consumed 15.5. In the third reading it was like 46 ml of HCl in the final reading, and the volume of HCl was consumed was 15.5. And now we will take the mean by, first we will do the total. It is like 46 and it will divided by 3. It will like 15.33 ml. Now we will calculate the normality of HCl by applying the formula N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. So the normality we are V2, sorry. So the N1 is the normality of sodium carbonate, V1 is the volume of what sodium carbonate we have taken into the conical flask, N2 we have to find out the normality of HCl, and V2 what volume has been consumed during this titration of HCl. So now we will modify the formula and it will be like N2 equal to N1 V1 divided by V2. Now we will put the value. So N1 was 0.1 and we have taken 10 ml of Na2CO3 during the titration, and the V2 was find out by applying the titration, and doing the titration it was 15.33. So after calculating the value was 0.065. So the normality was found was 0.065 of HCl, and by this method we can standardize our HCl, that is our secondary standard. So this is all about the standardization of HCl by using the sodium carbonate. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस.